I'm unboxing a food chopper. So this is the basket. Here's the few for choppers. There's 2 cups inside, one silicone, second one protection. I think for here, but we'll figure it out later. There's a second one. Let's see what else inside. Here's also a big one, glass for the chopper, and the actual machine itself. So there is nothing else left in the box. So we are going. Let me know if you want to actually see how it works and if actually worth it. So it feels like cheap material, but first and second, so speed, so it's not much, but let's see if it actually works. Let me know if you want to see the video.